Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your AirPods Pro. These are first generation. Right now you can see they're labelled up as no waffling. So we need to press this button at the back here. We need to hold it down for about 15 seconds. Eventually, after about 14 or 15 seconds, you will see it will go to an amber light, then back to a white light. So it'll be on a white light, then it will go to amber, then back to white. Only then will you let go. So watch this now. I'm pressing and holding the button right now. You can see we have a white light. I'm still holding it. The button's quite small at the back, so make sure you put a lot of force on it. You can see it's now flashing white. Eventually it will go to amber. There we go, amber. And now it will go back to white. Keep holding it. Now it's gone back to white. Now we can let go. They've been reset now. So if, for example, we were to open it up now, you will now see it will no longer say no waffling. So now you can see that when you open up the lid, it's just down as AirPods Pro. It's no longer down as no waffling because they've been reset. So hopefully if you're having problems with your AirPods, by doing a factory reset like that, they may start working again.